Hey everybody, it's Mayor John Huffman, and this week for Minute with the Mayor, we're bringing you some Turkey Day safety tips from the fire station. So now we're here with Fire Marshal Kelly Clements with the Southlake Fire Department, who's going to talk to us a little bit about safety tips as we get prepped for Turkey Day with our families. So Kelly, thank you for joining me.
Absolutely, Mayor, thank you.
Well, we all love Thanksgiving. It's a great time of fun with family, and we're all in the kitchen, we're all cooking and having a good time, but really Thanksgiving is the leading day for home fires. Is that correct?
Correct, it is. And with all the hectic schedule going on, everything we have, sometimes we forget to be safe. And so we just want to give you this information, try to keep you safe, and make it kind of worry-free for the holidays.
Yeah, absolutely. So what are some of your top tips as we get together with family and we start cooking in the kitchen?
Right, so one thing, when you're cooking, obviously, have an open flame. Try to keep things off the stove. Your wooden utensils, your plastics, any of your wrapping from your goods that you're cooking or preparing, because those can easily catch fire on the stove. So if it's a holiday tradition for you to have your kids cooking in the kitchen with you, obviously try to keep candles, sharp objects, cords away from them so they're safe while they're in the kitchen with you during this process. So you want to make sure you have those out of the way, and when you're not using the burner, please turn it off. It's a good safeguard.
Yeah, absolutely. And a lot of us end up cooking outside too, and we've all seen the videos of the exploding frying turkeys. Like, what? So how do we mitigate some of those risks?
Yeah, absolutely. Make sure you're following the manufacturer's recommendations on the product that you're using. Also thaw out the turkey really well. Don't overfill it with oil. Don't heat it up too much. They can set a house or a deck ablaze in a minute with those turkey fryers. So use extreme caution while you're using those.
Okay, so God forbid we've done something wrong and a fire starts. What are some tips when that happens?
Right, absolutely. What we want you to do is get your family, get out to your safe meeting place, and then call us, obviously, so we can come in and do what we need to do to take care of the problem.
So Kelly, we love you guys, but we hope we don't have to see you in uniform at our house. But with these tips, I think that'll be really, really helpful for all of our families. So thank you for joining us.
Absolutely. Thank you, Mayor.
Yeah, absolutely. And thank you guys for joining us on Minute with the Mayor. I hope this Thanksgiving is a wonderful time of family and fun and food and fellowship, and a time to pause and reflect on all the blessings that we've been given. We live in an incredible community, and Thanksgiving is just a great time to take a moment with our families and give thanks for all the blessings that we have and don't deserve. So I hope you guys will join Elizabeth and I and our family in that. And have a great weekend. We'll see you next time on Minute with the Mayor.